hip and knee armor and oi, Jesus Christ, mate. Haha, thanks, my man. It is not without practice. And, you know, they caught me on a good day. I'm still not perfect, and I do let my emotions get the better of me sometimes. I do react in the heat of the moment. I get angry. I kind of will wave my fist about, you know, drop a few curse words, maybe aggressively roll on the throttle here and there. But it's terrible practice. And it's something I actively work on. You know, if someone does you wrong on the road, especially like they did in that video, it's clear it's an accident. And yes, it's these accidents that can get people killed, but at the end of the day, it's not personal, and more often than not, it's not malicious. It's just people being dumb, and people make mistakes. We're all prone to it. One of the worst things you can do, especially as a biker, is to react emotionally to these things. And again, I'm saying this from a place of humility. It's not an art I've mastered, and it's something I'm very much working on, because it feels so good in the moment to let it all out, to drop a few curse words, rev your engine, really like let that wave of anger wash over you. It's almost therapeutic, but it's bad. And every time I've done it, it feels so good in the moment, getting mad and, you know, kind of trying to stand your ground on a bike. But then I just feel gross about it 5 minutes later, because I'm like, that was dumb. That was a really dumb thing to do. That could have ended poorly for me, and it wasn't in the best interest of my own safety. So yeah, it's something I'm actively working on, and that video was a good example of me successfully achieving that. A bike is always going to come off second best, regardless of what you're up against. You know, you could be up against a pole or a tree and you're still going to lose as a motorcyclist. It's different when you're in a car, but man, on a motorcycle you have to swallow your pride. You have to be mindful. You know, you can't let your emotions get the better of you when someone does you wrong, because it could cost you. And it's just the law of physics. Like, you are so vulnerable. You shouldn't be trying to fight a 2-ton metal cage, because if they're reacting in an emotional fashion too, and they decide to do something stupid like swerve into you, you're done, man. Doesn't matter who was in the wrong or who started the fight. You see all these people talking about smashing mirrors off cars and retaliating. My advice for you is don't. Just take the high road. I know it's hard. I find it hard sometimes too, but at the end of the day, it's what's going to make you a better rider. It's what's going to keep you alive, get you to your destination safely, so you can say hi to your family and you feel great about it. You know, in the moment it's not as satisfying, but after 5-10 minutes passes, you feel good. You feel proud of yourself for being able to let it go, and protecting yourself and your safety.